Music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
Firefighter Song. Drive the fire truck, the firefighter knows. Anywhere they're needed is exactly where they go. The lights are all a-flashing, there's sirens in the air. Driving street to street, just got to get there. First Street, Second Street, Third Street, Fourth Street, Fifth Street, Sixth Street, Seventh Street, Eighth Street. Climbing up the ladder, the firefighter goes, rung by rung, in boots with steel toes. But the ladder's very sturdy, the firefighter's safe. Doesn't matter how high, there is no time to waste. Step one, step two, step three, step four, step five, step six, step seven, step eight. Still climbing up the ladder, the firefighter goes, dressed in firefighter gear with the firefighter hose. Firefighters are all heroes, with that there is no doubt. And the firefighter's ready to put that fire out. Spray left, spray right, spray up, hold on tight. Spray down, spray straight, spray around, oh wait. The firefighter's done and the firefighter knows. Back down the ladder, rung by rung, to put away the hose. Step 8, step 7, step 6, step 5, step 4, step 3, step 2, step 1. Removing all the gear to get behind the wheel. A firefighter's job requires nerves of steel. Firefighters are all heroes, with that there is no doubt. And the firefighter's ready to put that fire out. You can get the Firefighter Song in single song download at our website at www.learningstationmusic.com. And please click the thumbs up to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of the brand new videos that we post weekly. Thank you.